Hey there, Leslie here. Well, let's talk about when you're making this change from one career to another. Doesn't matter what career it is. It could be retail to the paralegal career as a beginner. It could be nursing. It could be that you are working at a convenience store, but you have office skills already. You know how to type. You know the alphabet for filing documents. You know how to read a document and pick out mistakes. That's called proofreading. But you didn't follow through with some of that. Maybe in high school you were headed that way and it didn't work out. Whatever career you're coming from, it could be from a professional career, as I mentioned, in nursing. And maybe you're a medical assistant, or you're working in the front office of a medical office, or you're a dental hygienist, and you're wanting to go into law. And you're investigating this for the first time. So when you started in your current career, there's possibly a time when you felt a passion for it. And maybe not. Maybe it was just a career like I became a cashier in a supermarket. I didn't have a passion for it, but that was my first job. Then I became it's kind of an assistant at a pharmaceutical company in an office situation. I was not a secretary, and I had just turned 17, senior year of high school. So I was working for a big pharmaceutical company in New Jersey. And then I had trouble breaking in as a secretary because I had no experience. Sound familiar? So that's why I teach you what I do. I learned how to break in with no experience. But I looked at the legal field and I thought, I want to have a passion for something and I want to build a career. Is this you? Do you have a passion for it, or are you looking at numbers only? I had somebody say to me, I just want a job where I can pay my bills. Gosh, I understand that. I do. Very personally understand that. So when my husband lost his job, I was the sole support of my family for a while, and to the tune of 3 years. And so I had to be in the legal field. Gave me that opportunity to help put food on the table and pay the mortgage payment. However, when you start to believe what you read and it's not based on facts, that's what I want you to base it on. Don't think that you're going to go through a 2-year or 4-year program or get a certificate and then that opens the door to $50,000 a year or $60,000. It does not. So get the facts. Understand everything about this. Go to paralegalcoffeetalk.com. Look around that whole website. That's for beginners.